Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our annual CPTR meeting. I was just recollecting that this is the fourth meeting we have of this type. I don't know who was at the first meeting, which is very much a scoping exercise and organizing the program, which, as I fondly remember, ended in a bit of a panic attack because of comments made by the antitrust lawyers. But we kind of overcame this, and if you now look at the agenda, so first of all, it's been a year in which we've learned more about certain drugs and the biology of the disease, and we have more to look forward to. I think it is striking, certainly to me, how diverse this group is and how diverse and how many topics are covered in the agenda. I mean, you don't often go to meetings where people from academia, people from the companies, the funders, the academicians, the other stakeholders, everybody who has some stake in TB drugs is represented, and I think that's one of the strengths, actually, of the program. This used to be a meeting which you could start by saying, can everybody please stand up and identify yourself? It's becoming too large to actually do that, but I would want to encourage you to take the opportunity of all being here and to network outside of the boundaries of your own little club. And because it's really a terrific opportunity with so many diverse people here attending the meeting. So those were my introductory words. I'm looking forward to the next day and a half and then the other meetings that we have. And I'm now going to turn it over to Deborah.